Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add the Google search bar to your Android home screen. This is a very useful tool that makes searching the web quick and convenient. Let's get started. On your home screen, long press any empty space until the customization options appear. Select the Widgets option from the menu that appears at the bottom or side of the screen. Scroll through the available widgets until you find the Google section labeled as Gemini. From there, locate the Google search bar. Long press the widget, then drag it to your preferred location on the home screen. Adjust its size if necessary by tapping and dragging the edges of the widget to make it fit perfectly. You can also change the color intensity by tapping the gear icon. Finally, tap anywhere outside the widget to lock its position in place. And that's it! Now you know how to add the Google search bar to home screen.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.